You want to introduce yourself?
Annie Borucki.
Oh, okay. So she's Annie Borucki. I'm a mess because up until exactly 6 minutes ago, I was in bed. Here, you're going to get on this side of me. Can you get on this side?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and we're here today for the live 11:11 a.m. Eastern meditation. Today is day 40. This is our 40th video. That's a lot, right? Can you count in tens to 40? 10.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Yep, that's it. We're there. So hello everyone, I'm Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of 5. This one is my youngest. My oldest is graduating from college. I'm a meditation guide and I'm the author of books for big and little readers. What's your favorite book of mine?
Zara's Big Messy Day That Turned Out Okay.
You want to show them the book? It's always sitting right here by my studio in my bedroom, on my bedroom floor. So that's the children's book. Right now we're trying to raise money for the second book, Zara's Big Messy Bedtime. You can pre-order it.
And I got candy.
And she has candy. And also our efforts to fill 100 classrooms with free books for every student. And we are going to schools in underserved, under-resourced, and really underappreciated districts, right? Because there are diamonds in these districts and we need to help unearth them and their creativity. And we do that by giving them mental health tools.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite meditation? We're going to do a meditation today, but what's your favorite one?
Close your eyes, smell the flowers, blow out the candle.
Close your eyes, smell the flowers, and blow out the candles. Where'd you learn that one?
Zara's Big Messy Day That Turned Out Okay.
Yes, and you're reaching for the book because you have to show the product again. Please don't order this on Amazon. I'm getting a flurry of orders on Amazon, which is so amazing. But we really, really need you to go to bigmessybooks.com, which is linked in the video description. Hello, Annie. There's an Annie right here. She's saying, she said that's her name too. And Kirsty. Oh, you made one live. Good, 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 good. Okay, so today we're going to talk about new beginnings. New beginnings. So this is day 50. There's a lot of big milestone days for me today. So today is day 50 of isolation for my family and me. It is the 40th meditation that I'm delivering live. I was doing these live meditations before, but I started doing them daily. First it was every day. Now it's Monday through Friday for those of you who, might need a little extra support during this time. And it's also the first day of May if you're watching this live or in replay on May 1st. And what I like to do for new beginnings is a little practice of just releasing what's old, releasing what's not working for me, and kind of just leaving it behind where it belongs. Because we have a tendency as human beings, as warriors, as people with anxiety, to not only worry about things in the future, but to bring forward things in the past that are just done and dead. And we want to be rid of that bad habit, right? Hello, Carol Wilson. Okay, so what is a really great thing that happened for you this week or this month? Something really good that happened.
Candy today.
You got candy today. Aunt Danny and Uncle Russ brought it over for you. What did you get in the mail?
A Lunchable box.
She calls it a Lunchable box because that's what she sees at school. It's not a Lunchable box. It's a bento box. She got a bento box in the mail today for packing her lunches. And what was something that wasn't so great that happened this week? Something that you didn't like.
You knocked down my tower.
What?
You knocked down my tower.
I knocked down your tower? When did that happen?
We put it back into the yard. My money tower.
Your what tower?
My money tower.
Oh, her money tower. Okay, yeah. So I knocked down her money tower. I knocked down her money tower. Why did I do that?
Okay, they wanted to do it first.
Because you wanted to do what?
That first.
You wanted a snack first?
I wanted to do that first.
You wanted to do that first and we had to get to schoolwork. All right, well, she just told on me. She just told on me, folks. So what we're going to do is that we're going to release any resentments or any frustrations around that money tower situation, okay? Are you going to forgive me? Or are you just going to let it go? Okay. All right. So let's do this first. And this is going to be a very active meditation. I want you to, out in the audience, I want you to think of something good that happened, just to start off with gratitude. We're not bringing this into the meditation, but just something really great or happy or, a great opportunity, anything that just made you feel warm and fuzzy. Just think about that right now because we always want to give ourselves a little cushion before we head into the dark place. We're going to arm ourselves with some protection before we go into the dark place. So think about that, the good thing that happened, right? You have your candy that you're still eating. We're going to put this down just so that we don't distract ourselves with the noise.
Yeah.
And then think of the thing that you would like to let go. So this is something that happened that you are bringing forward energetically, but doesn't necessarily need to be, right? And if it is something that is ongoing, we're going to work on that too. And we're just going to do this quickly. It's not that hard. It's just a little practice that I want you to use throughout the day. And I'm going to give you a mantra too.
I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty? Can you wait 1 second for the meditation?
Mm-hmm.
We're live. It's happening now. It's happening now. We drink afterwards. Okay, so first I want you to find your easy or comfortable seat. So just get seated really nice and easy. You don't have to cross your legs. You don't have to sit up super, super straight and tall. You just try to get in a position that feels active, but also comfortable, okay? So is that how you're going to do it? You're going to just hug me the whole time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then if it feels safe for you, go ahead and close your eyes. Or you can leave them open and focus softly on a treasured object, maybe your candy, Annie. A spot across the room or a place on the floor right past the tip of your nose. Take a nice, big, smooth breath with me. Inhale. Exhale.
The earring's coming off.
Your earring's coming off, or your sticky earring. And what that breath does is signal your body, especially after practice again and again. It signals to your body and also your spirit that it's time to take time for yourself, to move across that energetic threshold to a place of peace and calm. So we're in a quiet space now, where we're concentrating just on being here, just following our breath as we inhale in through our nose and exhale through our mouth. See if you can make a sound with your breath. Just easy, nothing forced, but inhale and exhale. Like I said before, today is May 1st. It is the first day of a new month. I'm going to go let the cat, you keep paying attention to your breath. I'm going to let my cat in the room. Today is May 1st, a brand new month. And while we don't have to anchor ourselves to physical timestamps, like the first day of the month, the first day of the year, it does give us an opportunity to reflect and renew with a little bit of greater ease, because it does give us that marker. So let's look at May 1st as an opportunity to start brand new.
It's walking on.
With new thoughts, new ideas. Thank you. A new energy, a new way of showing up. And your mantra is, this day, this moment, this breath is my opportunity to start brand new. Annie, you want to help repeat after me?
Yes. Well,
This day,
this day,
this moment,
this moment,
this breath
this breath,
is my opportunity
is my opportunity
to start brand new.
is to start brand new.
And take a deep breath with me. Inhale.
And to take a
No, you don't have to breathe that. Just inhale. Now repeat after me, all of you out there, either silently or out loud with a whisper. This day,
This day,
this moment,
this moment,
this breath
this breath
is my opportunity
is my opportunity
to start brand new.
to start brand new.
Deep breath. So I want you to bring forward that thing that you were stressed about, resentful about. I want you to just take a moment, a couple breaths to see yourself experiencing that, to remember it, to remember the feeling you had when it was happening. And then repeat after me, either silently or out loud with a whisper. This thing that caused me stress is no longer. It has no power over me. This thing that caused me so much stress, it is no longer. It has no power over me. It has no power over me. It has no power over me. Deep breath. Bringing your attention back to your breath once more, feeling comfortable and easy in your seat. Adjusting any discomfort you might be feeling by just wiggling and swaying back and forth. And one last time, the affirmation. This day, this moment, this breath is my opportunity to start brand new. Big breath now. That was a good one. One more. Inhale. The bird started tweeting as soon as we exhaled.
Tweet.
So easily, just following your natural inhales and exhales as they are in this moment, your natural, easy, and effortless breath. Bring your hands to heart center, either one hand over the other or in prayer position. Put your hands over your heart.
The buddies like the meditation.
Birds love meditation, yes. Feel your heartbeat and the rise and fall of your chest with your breath as an affirmation of your aliveness, of your worthiness for being here. Connect with what is happening on its own in service to you. You are here, you are safe, you are doing something nourishing for yourself, and that is an act of self-love that you give yourself and no one can take away. And with one last inhale and exhale, go ahead and open your eyes and return to the day. Wait, you gotta say hello. Hi. Okay, so thank you everyone for meditating. I know this is a little bit different today. We had the cat break in and he's over there meditating and the birds are tweeting with us and some distraction. Tweet. But I always say, your makeup looks really good on camera. She does her makeup for her school day every day. I always say that, perfect quiet, perfect silence doesn't actually serve us during meditation because most of our lives at least are pretty chaotic and noisy and there's a lot going on. Oh, here comes the cat. And we have a lot going on. So for us to be able to achieve peace and calm in our real lives, right, we need to be able to deal with a little bit of chaos. So it's all good, right? It's all good. Say hi, Smokey Monkey. His name is Smokey Monkey, also Mr. Meow. Say hello. All right. I love you. Thank you. Say thank you 3 times.
Thank you.
Well, that wasn't 3. Okay, that was 5. And I appreciate you showing up for me and for yourself because that inspires and compels me to show up for you no matter the circumstances, even if I have a 5-year-old hanging on me. I will see you on Monday with another live meditation. Please tell your friends and please check out the links below and pledge to Sarah. Every dollar counts. Every dollar counts. Every dollar is helping kids get free books. And you get books yourself. It's not like I'm just asking you to give me money. Like pre-order the books, pre-order the book bundles. They're amazing. Sponsor a classroom, pledge your support, and share. Sharing is currency too. And I really appreciate every single share of the campaign. BigMessyBooks.com, BigMessyBooks.com. I love you.